Hi everyone, I'm here again to answer another word problem that was sent to us by a parent. Let's begin. Roy had some money at first. After spending $120 on a pair of jeans, he spent 4/7 of the remaining amount on a shirt. He had 1/9 of his money left. How much did Roy have at first? So first, let's draw a long bar and label that $120 jeans. That would represent the amount of money spent on the pair of jeans, which is $120. He spent 4/7 of the remaining amount on a shirt. Let's draw 7 units to represent the remaining amount and then label the 4 units of the 7 units that we just drew shirt. That would be the amount of money that Roy spent on the shirt. Which means we need to label the remaining 3 units as the money left. He had 1/9 of his money left. That means the 3 units there is equivalent to 1/9 of his money at first. To help you visualize this, I drew 9 equal boxes below the model that we drew earlier. And each box, each of the red boxes that you can see there, are actually marked 3 units because we saw that from earlier, right? That the 3 units that's marked money left in the model that we have earlier, that's actually 1/9 of the money Roy had at first. Okay? Now, if each red box is 3 units and we have 9 red boxes, then we can say that there's a total of 27 units there because 9 times 3 is 27. That means that we can also say that Roy's money at first can be represented using 27 units. Now, we know that we have 3 units for the money left and then 4 units for the amount of money that was used to buy the shirt. So that's already 7 units there. So we only need 20 more units. And we can get that from the $120 pair of jeans. All right. So that box there, that long bar that represents the amount of money used for the pair of jeans, we can cut that into 20 equal units. So that all in all, we will have 27 units representing the amount of money Roy had at first. How much did Roy have at first? Let's label the whole bar with a question mark because that whole bar represents the amount of money Roy had at first. Now we are ready to compute. Let's start with what we know. We know that 20 units are equal to $120. And to get what 1 unit is equal to, we have to divide $120 by 20, and the answer is $6. So if 1 unit is $6, to get 27 units, we need to multiply 27 by $6, and the answer is $162. Roy had $162 at first. Did you get the same answer? So there you have it. I hope you learned something new today. If you want your kids to learn more about the bar models, then the Singapore Math Bar Model Method ebook or printed book is perfect for them. This book has QR codes that they can scan that will lead to the video tutorials of how to solve each of the problems in the book using the bar models. If you're interested, you may check Central Books website, Shopee and Lazada apps for the printed book. And for the ebook, you may get that from the Mindset for Math website. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.